there. Yeah, welcome to this part of the video where I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create what we call a Google People's Card. It's more like a business card, but in this sense it's going to be an online card such that anybody online can search for you and be able to contact you without having any problem or having your contact before. So for us to do that, we are going to have to head over to Google. Take note this time, not Google Chrome, but Google, which is the search engine itself. So now once we are here on Google, what we need to search for is, for example, now my name is Adeyeye Timilehin. So now once let's say you put in your name now, maybe so and name, so name. So once you put in your name, it's going to work according to your Gmail account that you have here. You must make sure that you've already signed in your Gmail account, because nobody can actually have two names or two same names at the same time. So what you need to do is make sure that your account is synced in and make sure that your profile is okay on Google. So what you need to do first is you create a Gmail account. Once you create a Gmail account, you sign in here. You log in your Gmail address here. So now this is my own name, Adeyeye Timilehin. So for me to edit this, now all I need to click is on click edit. So it asks me which of the accounts do I want to use, because I have like 5 different accounts here. So I'm choosing the first one. So now it says you can easily edit what we have here now. If I want to change anything, maybe occupation, freelancer, then work, marketer, all this kind of thing. Regardless of anything you want to change, here's my own blog there. I'm still working on it. So you can basically do anything that you want to do on this particular page. It's called public card, such that if anybody searches for you, you can really get in contact with you. So that's basically what it works for. And what else? You can add your social profiles here, maybe your Facebook profile, so now I've already added my YouTube channel and my Facebook here. So I need to just click on save. But for you that you are just starting, you can easily add your own Facebook channel and the likes on it. So on this now, basically any other thing that you might think of, you can change. So let's add to this. Let's say it's not available. So let's pick pick something, maybe I have to write down. So basically, depending on the work you do, you can easily add yours here. So let's say I want to put Microsoft Limited. So that's part of my work. I can basically do anything on Microsoft. It's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also graphics design. So I can decide to add all those, but for now, for the purpose of this lesson, we are going to be adding just those 3. And once you are through editing your Google's public card, you can preview. So once you click on preview, it shows you exactly how it's going to be if anybody searches for you online. So then you click on save. So now it has been updated and we appear in search results. So you can just view the search card. So basically, if anyone wants to search for me online now, this is what you'll be saying. Just search for Timilehin Adeyeye Timilehin. This is what you'll be seeing automatically. So in case anybody wants to get in contact with me, anybody wants to and that kind of thing, you can always do everything from here. So that's basically what you need. So I think we've come to the end of this class. It basically shows you everything you need to know about editing your public card online. But note, we did this through Google, the Google search engine, not Google Chrome. There's a difference between the two. This is the search engine. Google Chrome is only using the search engine to work. So that is everything we have here. So now this happens to be my blog. The one I had just now is what we have here. So you should, in case you want to find out more information about the blog, you can easily click on it. So once you click on the blog, it takes you to the blog itself. So that's basically everything we have there. And if you want to learn how to open a blog also, kindly drop a comment in the comment section or in the group, so that we can know how to create that for you also. So that's all for now. I believe you've all learned something from this very short class, and I hope it makes you an independent fellow just as it has made me. So see you in next class.